Ooh.
See up here?
Mm-hmm.
It was a metal ring that broke. It just rusted away. So that's why this was leaking. So I took this, to call it a tailpiece, off. And it was all gunky inside, and I cleaned it, obviously. I didn't clean this part too well. Just do that. And then, so I had to go to the store. I took all this apart and I cleaned it all. But I had to go to the store and get one of these. It's a 1/2 inch connecting ring. Okay, so you put that piece on the. This is called a flanged 1/2 inch tailpipe. Put the ring on first. I got a replacement gasket. This was the old one. See, it's all yellow. That just sits in there. What's going to happen is this is going to go up and screw onto the bottom of the drain.
Okay.
That's the part that broke.
What about plumber's tape?
Yeah, you can use plumber's tape if you want, but this should work just the way it is. So then what you have to do is you have to connect this pipe here, and there's threads here. See those threads? And that's going to be connected by this, but you're going to want these gaskets. And then this to keep the water from coming out. So you have
plumber's tape.
So you have to put it on the pipe first. Okay, this ring. Then you put this gasket on next. Put this gasket on next.
And all your gaskets on.
Okay. Now here's the thing. Make sure you put this guy in first. Okay. Because otherwise you're never going to be able to fit it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, and also what you want to do is snug it down a little bit. So, what we'll do is we'll connect this one first. Oh, see, there's no gasket in there, so take the gasket. Put that in there. That's going to seal right there. And that's what's going to prevent the water from.
Okay. No plumber's tape.
If you were going to use plumber's tape, you'd use it on these threads right here.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think this is going to be tight enough.
All right.
But we'll see. If it leaks, we'll use the plumber's tape.
Okay.
This one, screw that down like that. And then make sure that one's tight too. Alright, and then start running the water.
Hold on. Should we put a paper towel to see if it leaks?
Yeah, you can do that.
And make sure the bucket's dry. Bucket is not dry.
Here's the metal ring that fell apart.
Okay. Bucket's not dry. So okay.
Doesn't appear to be leaking.
Nope. Shall we keep the bucket there though, just in case?
I think that's a great idea.
Okay, and we have another bucket upstairs too.
We could put it underneath that one.
We can replace, use.
So the advantage of using the plastic PVC connectors is that they won't rust like this.
Yeah.
The metal pipe looks nice, but
nobody's
looking under his sink. So.
Okay.
Alright, so that's
cool.
it.
Thanks.
Yep.
So just wipe out put everything